Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. In this video, we guide you through the step-by-step process of setting up the Digisol DG WR1200AC Dual Band Wi-Fi range extender to boost your home or office network. From powering on the device to configuring it in repeater mode and positioning it for optimal performance, you'll learn everything you need to extend your Wi-Fi coverage. Follow along for easy tips to eliminate dead zones and enjoy seamless connectivity throughout your space. So let's start the setup process. Plug the Digisol DG WR1200AC into a power outlet. Initially, it's best to place it near your main Wi-Fi router so that the connection during the setup process is strong and stable. The LEDs on the extender should light up. Wait for about 1 to 2 minutes for the extender to boot up. You'll notice that the power LED will stabilize, while the Wi-Fi or signal LED might blink initially, indicating it's ready for configuration. On a device like a laptop, smartphone, or tablet, go to the Wi-Fi settings. You should see the default Wi-Fi network, SSID, broadcasted by the extender. This will be something like DG WR1200AC EXT. Connect to this network. Open a web browser, Chrome, Firefox, Edge, etc., and in the address bar, type 192.168.2.1. This is the default IP address to access the extender's admin panel. You'll be prompted to enter a username and password. The default credentials are username, admin password, admin. If you've previously set this up and changed the credentials, use the modified ones. If forgotten, a factory reset may be necessary by pressing and holding the reset button on the extender for about 10 seconds. NCE logged into the admin panel, navigate to the Setup or Configuration section. There will be an option to set the extender in repeater mode or Wi-Fi extender mode. After selecting the repeater mode, the extender will scan for available Wi-Fi networks around it. You will see a list of Wi-Fi networks within range. Choose the SSID of your main Wi-Fi network, the one you want to extend. You will be prompted to enter your router's Wi-Fi password. After entering the Wi-Fi password and confirming the settings, save the configuration. The extender will reboot, which may take a minute or two. After rebooting, reconnect your device to the newly extended Wi-Fi network. You can connect either to the original SSID or the extended SSID, depending on the settings you chose. NCE The setup is complete. Unplug the extender from the socket near your router and move it to a location that is halfway between your router and the area. Now your setup process is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always guide you. Thank you so much for watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.